If you need chord progressions but you have no idea how to write them, you are not alone. Trust me on that. I came across a super dope new generative tool that only works on Ableton 12. So I'm going to show you guys how it works and how to use it to generate pretty much endless chord progressions. So it's by a company called MIDI to the Max. I'll link all this stuff in the description. But basically the way it works is we're going to Google a chord progression we like. I just Googled chord progression for the weekend. There's a bunch of different websites that will tell you what they are, but usually if we just Google it, it'll tell us pretty straight up. So we have C minor, A flat major. So all this information right here. All we're going to do is we're going to copy this. So Command C. We're going to come back to Ableton. So I'm just going to come in here and Command V to paste it. And then boom, it's going to generate our chord progression for us. Super dope tool. We can literally take any chord progression we want and just pretty much steal it. And now from here we can make it our own. We could revoice it, so we can change the voicings, we can change the pattern of the chords, but this gives us a really good, like, strong foundation that we know is proven to work to kind of build our track off. So super dope tool. One thing I will note is that if we have like spacings here, so if we have like spacings between the chord and like if it's major or minor, we want to take those out, and also if there's any like commas in here, so that way it's able to read it and kind of put those in for us. Really, that's all we have to do is do that and hit enter, and now we have our chord progression. Now you might be asking yourself, what if it doesn't give you the individual chords, but if it just gives you like the chord progression, so the Roman numerals? Well, there's a super dope tool for that as well, and that's going to be M2TM Progressions. And this is one where we can literally come in here and select any chord progression we want. So let's go in here and grab like another random chord progression. So here's one that's super common in a lot of songs. It's going to be the 1, 5, 4, 6, I believe. I'm super bad with Roman numerals. But let's say that's all the information we had. We didn't have the actual names of the chords, like A flat, major, or whatever it is. That's fine, because with this other tool, we can actually come in here and we can just look for this. 1, 5, VI, IV. And we're going to come 1, 5, VI, IV. Here it is. So we have it. And now what we can actually do with this one is we can change the root. So let's say we're like writing in D. And we can actually change the complexity too. So we can do just triads, we can do 5 notes, or all. And on this one, we can actually adjust the duration of each chord as well. So like, let's say we want to kind of change it up from the every quarter bar deal. So there it is, pretty much endless chord progressions. These are like 10, 20 bucks each. I'll link in the description. I do have a promo code for them as well, so that'll be in the description also. Definitely worth checking them out if you're like getting your bearings with music theory, or you kind of just want a quick, easy fix for coming up with some dope stuff. Definitely worth grabbing. So yeah, go check these out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.